Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome. We're going to be bringing our awareness and focus in strengthening and opening up our hip region. So we're going to be doing asanas that are going to stretch and strengthen, in turn helping enhance flexibility, build stability and strength. So let's begin the session by sitting in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight, chin parallel, palms come to rest on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, just becoming aware of the room that you're in, bringing our shoulders towards your ears, rolling it back, drop it down, exhale, close your eyes. Just move your neck side to side, whatever comes organically. Or if you feel like, just move in circles, clockwise to anti-clockwise. Again, take a deep breath in through your nose. Completely exhale through your mouth, letting out a big sigh. Releasing any tightness, any tension in your body. Slowly open your eyes with a few blinks. Now bring your right hand on your right knee. Your left foot is holding the other way. Your left hand is holding your right foot, and then you're going to just sway side to side. As though you're rocking a child, you can always hold and move it, or hold with one hand. Hindodalasana, cradle pose. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now the other leg. Hold and just move side to side. Remember, you're not sitting into your back. And keep your back straight. 3, 2, and 1. Swing your legs to one side. Come onto your knees and palms. Fingers wide. Arch your back. Chin just gaze forward. Breathe out. Round your back. See that your knees are beneath your hips. And pushing your seat towards your heel. Again, arch and round. Push your seat towards your heel. Last one. Forward, arch. Breathe out, round. Now press your toes. Knees come off. Widen your legs. If you can, drop your feet flat. If not, it's completely fine. Raise both your heels. Drop it down. Once more, raise your heels. Drop it down. Press your left toes into the mat. Right foot comes up. And here, bring your knees in the direction of the ceiling. We're not stretching our legs out yet. And then with your knees, draw circles. 1, 2, 3 clockwise, 3 anti-clockwise, 3, 2, and 1. Now step between your palms, adjust your back leg, inhale, come all the way up. Wherever you need to adjust, see that you're not reaching shoulders directly over your hip. Focus on opening your hips. Breathe in. As you breathe out, turn and look towards your right fingertips. Again, inhale, straighten. As you exhale, again bend. Bring your right forearm to rest on your thighs. Trying to press your center towards the mat. Reach your left hand up towards the ceiling. And if this is comfortable, you can always go down, reach and stretch. 3, 2, see that your left outer edge is not raising up. And 1, drop your hands on the inside. Walk your legs to the outside of your mat. or towards the right side of your mat. See if you can drop your knees here. Come onto your fingertips. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Then inhale and exhale. Press your hands back. Press your toes into the mat. Send your hip in the direction of your heel. So you don't have to go and sit here. Hip come directly over your knee. Stretch your right knee out. Breathe in. As you breathe out, you're letting your belly come further towards the mat. 2 and 1. Now press your back toe. Press your hands into the mat. Bend the knee. Come all the way up. Adjust. Take your right hand on the inside. Right and left comes in. Stretch and hold. You're in an extended pyramid, but leaning forward more diagonally. And 1. Back again. Come back. Bend that knee. Step back. Shake your legs out. 3, 2, and 1. Now, bend the other knee. Your left knee up towards the ceiling. Draw big circles. 1, 2, and 3. Clockwise. 3 anti-clockwise. 1. Nice opening. 2 and 3. Step between your palms. Adjust your back leg. Inhale. Come all the way up. Virabhadrasana. Look at your left fingertips. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten. Bend again. Rest. Your left hand on your left thigh. Reach up. If you can, stretch further. 3, 2, hold. And 1. Hands come on the inside. Walk the left leg out. Breathe in. And breathe out. If you want, you can stay on your palms or come onto your fingertips. Stretch and hold. Drop down. Press your toes into the mat. Straighten. Drop the feet down. Reach your hands diagonally in the direction where the wall meets the ceiling. You're going to get a good stretch all through the leg. See that your back leg is not slipping. Press into the earth. 1 more breath in. Completely breathe out. And 1. Hands come back. Bend your right knee, straighten the left. Bend your left knee, straighten your right. Breathe in. And breathe out. Now again, raise both your heels up. Take your right leg, send it up towards the ceiling. Drop that right knee behind your right wrist. Trying to bring the leg parallel to the long end of the mat. Open into your pigeon pose. Initially, our heel may come closer to the groin, and that's completely fine. Sit tall. Breathe in. Breathe out. 1 more big breath in. Breathe out. Reach your hands forward. Drop your chin to chest. forehead in the direction of the mat. One more big breath in. Completely exhale. Our hips are a region where we store in a lot of emotion and tensions. Doing these asanas that help release the hip can also help release tension and bring about emotional balance. One more deep breath in. Completely exhale. Palms come back on the mat. You'll hear some crack and pop sounds. That's fine as long as no sharp shooting pain. Release. Shake that leg out. Now the other side. Bend. Send that toe up towards the ceiling. Arms in line with your ears. Bring in. Rest it here. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. Inhale. As you exhale, you can go lower, stay higher, completely up to you. Notice if one side feels different than the other. One more deep inhalation, full exhalation. And as you breathe out, just let go of anything that doesn't serve you. Inhale, slowly come up. Press your toes. Shake the legs out, cross at your ankle. Come to lie on your back. Hug your knees towards your chest. Just rock side to side. Point your toes away from you, towards you. Release your legs to either side. Hands come to rest on your belly. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Completely breathe out. And noticing the flow of air entering your nostrils all the way till your abdomen. Pressing your belly into your palms. Palms in the direction, moving in the direction of the ceiling. Exhale through your mouth. Letting your body get heavy on the mat. Now bring both your legs together. Arms come to rest next to you. We're going to take a deep breath in and chant one round of Om, noticing the vibrations spread all through our body. Om. Thank you for doing this practice with me, spending your time with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. If you think this video was helpful to you, please share. Namaste.